To access a cash advance on Chime, you need to use the MyPay feature, which is a line of credit offering up to $500 before payday. With no mandatory fees, credit checks, or interest to utilize MyPay, you must first set up a direct deposit and meet specific requirements within the last 36 days, such as having at least 2 qualifying direct deposits of $200 or more, or 1 qualifying direct deposit of $200 along with additional information like your work email or address. Alternatively, you can also qualify with 1 direct deposit of $200 from a government benefits payer. You must also meet the eligibility criteria outlined in the MyPay agreement, which can be found in the Chime app or online. Once enrolled, you can check your available amount in the MyPay hub in the app. Select your advance amount, which ranges from $20 to $500 depending on your estimated income, and choose your speed, either fee-free, which takes 24 hours, or instant, which incurs a $2 fee per advance. The advance amount will never exceed your overall credit limit, which is visible in the app. By following these steps, you can access the funds you need through Chime's MyPay feature.